Unlock and open the vent panel. Use a stiff blade putty knife or pick tool to remove the hole plugs. Insert a Phillips screwdriver into each adjustment hole and turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to lower the panel. Lowering the panel will help facilitate removing it from the frame. Take note of the number of turns to lower the panel. Use of a suction cup is recommended when removing or installing the vent panel. Remove the vent panel by lifting it up into the frame head until the bottom of the panel and the rollers are high enough to clear the frame sill. Pull the bottom of the panel out toward the interior. Place the panel in a safe location. Install the vent panel by lifting it up and positioning the panel top into the frame so the bottom of the panel can clear the frame and the panel rollers can be positioned onto the roller track on the frame sill. Once the panel is installed into the frame, use a Phillips screwdriver and turn the adjustment screw clockwise to raise the panel. Turn the adjustment screw the same number of times as used earlier to lower the panel. Reposition the suction cup above the other roller to lift the panel while adjusting. Lift the panel to take the weight off the roller when adjusting the roller panel height upward. When the rollers are adjusted, slide the panel over to the lock jamb to the nearly closed position and check the reveal of the panel to the frame. The reveal should be even from the top to the bottom. If the reveal is not even, adjust the rollers as needed. Close and lock the vent panel. If the door panel will not lock, the rollers can be adjusted. Remove the suction cup. Reinstall the hole plugs.